students, today we will discuss what is rectification process in electronics and what is a rectifier. Rectification is the process of converting alternating current into direct current, that is AC into DC. And the device used for this process is called a rectifier. A rectifier involves a device that only allows one-way flow or unidirectional flow of electric charge carriers, that is electrons. When a PN junction diode is forward biased, it offers less resistance and a current flows through it. But when it is reverse biased, it offers high resistance and almost no current flows through it. So this unidirectional property of diode enables it to be used as a rectifier. When an alternating current is fed to a diode as an input, the diode is forward biased in the positive half cycle of the input signal and a current flows through the diode. During the negative half cycle, the diode is reverse biased and it does not conduct any current. So the signal is rectified. That is, we get only output only in the half cycles of the input signal. This type of rectifier is called a half-wave rectifier, and in this half-wave rectifier circuit we are using a single PN junction diode, an AC input signal, a transformer and a load resistance across which output is measured. But to smoothen the output, that is pulsating DC voltage, we must use a filter circuit. In a half-wave rectifier circuit, we have already used a single PN junction diode, an AC input signal and a output load resistance. So just see the waveforms. For the full cycle, we are getting output for the only half cycles. That is, if the diode is conducting in the positive half cycle, we will get output during the positive half cycle only. Then in the negative half cycle, we are getting no output. That is, output voltage is 0 here. Again we are getting for the next positive half cycle, we are again getting the output voltage. But in a full wave rectifier circuit, we are using two diodes. Here also AC input signal is fed and through the center tap transformer, and again the output is measured across RL, that is the load resistance. For the first half cycle, diode D1 is conducting, then we are getting, and it is forward biased, so we will get an output across RL for the first half cycle as D1 is conducting. But at the same time, diode D2 is non-conducting because it is reverse biased. So for D1 we are getting output voltage or current here, and again when in the next half cycle, when D1 diode is non-conducting, again D2 is conducting. So in the positive and negative both cycles we are getting output here. So the full wave is rectified as a DC pulsating voltage. This is the functioning of full wave center tap type rectifier circuit. In a bridge type rectifier, 4 diodes D1, D2, D3 and D4 are used. Here no center tapped transformer is used, thus we can reduce the size of the electronic circuit. So in this type of rectifier, during the positive half cycle of the input signal, diode D1 or D2 for the first half cycle or the positive half cycle, D1, D2 are conducting, then D3 and D4 are off. Again in the negative half cycle, D1, D2 becomes in off, goes to the off condition, and then D3, D4 becomes conducting. That is, they are forward biased and all the other diodes are then off, that is they are in the reverse bias condition. So we get the desired output across RL or the load resistance. So here also we are getting both the cycles as output, that is the full wave is rectified here. For the both the half cycles, positive and negative of the input signal, we are getting output in the both half cycles, that is the full wave is rectified here.